You may wonder that breathing exercises are the key to the great health and happiness. Everyone wants happiness, right? Then they should incorporate pranayama into their lifestyle. Rhythm of life is breathing, which happens continuously and rarely without our notice, right? We breathe through both nostrils. We have two nostrils, left and right, and it alternates between the nostrils, both nostrils, right? It happens automatically like a program. Sometimes inhaling is done through the left and exhaling through the right, and it may get reversed. And when nose is blocked, the inhaling and exhaling may happen through a single nostril, and if both nostrils are blocked, then inhalation may happen through the mouth as well, right? When you do the pranayama, the balance is going to happen to you, and the nostril blocking may not happen to you, because you are in control of your breath, and control of breath increases your immunity, and rarely you will fall into the trap of flus, right? So this all needs practice, and this is the first great advantage besides bundle of benefits that pranayama is going to provide you. Kriya Yoga. We are talking about Kriya Yoga, right? It's an action yoga. Everything is action. Whatever you are doing is an action, right? And what we count here is the things that are done morally, ethically and legally, right? And by following these principles of life, morals, ethics and legality, you think of yourself. When you're following the principles of life and leading integrated life, then you need to know the purpose of your life and who are you. Just start questioning, who am I? And that will take you to the awakening point, and will solve all your questions, and will give you peace of mind and the happiness what you are seeking, what you are running after. Everyone runs after happiness, right? Wellness, wealth, wellness, financial wellness. Everyone is working one or the other jobs, tasks or activities to become financially sound, financially well, right? And there something needs to be done for the health wellness as well, right? Fitness, otherwise you can call. So these incorporate all the techniques. You are already doing that, the pranayama or the activity or the kriya yoga, but you just know that you are doing that. That's going to take you to the next level. Okay, this I am doing it already. Okay, let me refine what I am doing it. So that is the starting point. That is the starting point to reach the pinnacle, right? Pranayama, control of breathing, has many benefits we are going to cover. Most of the meditation programs are based on breathing. Watch breathing, control breathing, breathing, right? Pranayama has got that much importance in any meditational activities, meditation programs. So you need to get into that, practice that. It can be done wherever you are, whatever you are doing. You need not be in the company of people. Satsang, do satsang to do that. While traveling, while on the move, while at home. Preference is calm ambience, silent ambience. But the focus, you want to concentrate on breathing. Pranayama, control of breathing. You do it whenever you want to do it. Do not lose the benefits, right? Only thing, the thought should come to you that I should do this, right? Which helps you in physical and mental well-being. You do pranayama with open or closed eyes, doesn't matter. Focus on breathing. And in course of a time, you will get maturity, elevation, and get into the transcendental state. right? All these meditations are linked one way or the other, right, to pursue the same end goal. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu.